Hensley Ice Cream Silky Hair Removal Spray is popular for the removal hair at the roots. The cream feels just like ice cream, very smooth, cool, and with light smell. It will not cause any irritation. Wait 8 minutes after applying. When the hair gets curly, then wipe it off and wash the area. The cream removes the hair near to the roots. Your hair will not grow back in a few months.
Hey guys, today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Hensley Hair Removal Spray. So let's try it. 3 minutes later. Voila! Look how cleanly the hair came out.
I'm going to try this Hensley hair removal product and I'm going to let you know how it works out for me.
To get started, you shake well. Make sure that you spray on the area that you want to remove your hairs, and then you just let it be for about 8 to 10 minutes, right? So let it do that, and then after 10 minutes or so, take a damp towel and gently remove the hair. And there you go. It's super easy. It comes off really well, and looks really clean, looks really nice.
Smooth skin, no irritation. Ideal for your armpits, bikini area, hair around the lips, chest, hands, and legs. Now, it's time to start your journey with Hensley.